Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what happens if you lose or break your LEDGER Nano X. And the answer is nothing will happen if you have your recovery phrase somewhere written down on a recovery sheet or anywhere else. If you have it written down, then it's really well, because basically you'll be able to recover your account fully. You'll just need to get a different device or use an app on your phone, although it will just, if you use an app on your phone, then it'll lose all the hardware wallet functionalities, like it not being connected to internet, right, because your phone is connected to internet. But at least it will be something. But you can just get a different hardware wallet and enter the recovery phrase on that, and based on the recovery phrase, the hardware wallet always generate the same private keys. So the recovery phrase is randomly generated, but private keys generated based on that recovery phrase are always the same. So if you get a different wallet, enter the same recovery phrase into that, then it will be all fine. But if you've lost your recovery phrase, then unfortunately your assets will be unrecoverable, and unfortunately you will lose all your money that way. So I think it's better to have your recovery phrase written somewhere, and that's what I always tell to people when they are setting up their new device. To never share the recovery phrase with anyone, because if it can't be used to restore the whole wallet, then if someone gets access to it, then they'll basically have access to all your money stored on that wallet. And that's basically it. By the way, if you are using passphrases, remember to also type those in as well once you're setting up your wallet, your new wallet. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.